lands take magic to a new level of high as the trees and the lights get hip and pop. Prepare to swing, groove, and dance if you please, as Into Nature goes into... You have just experienced a sound and light show designed to merge the environment with digital technology and creativity, taking nature tourism to a whole new level of entertainment. You may now freely move about and proceed to the photo op stations around the venue. Our staff will assist you and attend to your queries. Enjoy the evening. Your magical night has just begun.